Hi students, we came to the last session of our chapter electromagnetic induction. In our previous session, we discussed up to the first aid to be given in case of electric shock, and we discussed that electricity is an integral part of our day-to-day life. So saving electricity is equivalent to generating electricity. In this session, we are going to familiarize some of the devices which are related to household circuits. So let's identify each and familiarize the use of each electric components. The first one given here is a one-way switch, and the second one is a two-way switch. This one-way switch is used to start or stop the flow of current and also to change the direction of the current flow. Two-way switches are used to control one electrical devices. Normally we'll use two or more switches in different locations. Here, 3-pin socket and sealing rows. Three-pin sockets are used to supply electricity to electrical appliances. And sealing rows usually placed in the ceiling. It is used to give live wire to the ceiling light or fan to go in continuation. And the next one is ELCB and then regulator. ELCB helps to break the circuit automatically whenever there is a current leak due to insulation failure or any other reason. We have already learned about ELCB, earth leakage circuit breaker. Then the regulator automatically maintain a constant voltage level. Then indicator and RCCB. Indicators provide visual or remote indication of a fault on the electric power system. Power system fault indicators. And RCCB. It distinguishes between the phase current and neutral current and to break the circuit if needed. Then MCB and KitKat fuse. These fuses are also known as KitKat fuse. MCB, miniature circuit breaker. MCB automatically breaks a circuit whenever there is an excess flow of current due to short circuits or overloading. KitKat fuse, protecting a circuit against excess current. Current കൂടുതൽ വന്നു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ അതുവഴി മെൽറ്റ് ബ്രേക്കർ നമ്മൾ ഇതിൽ പഠിച്ചിട്ടുള്ളതാണ് MCB, KitKat fuse, etc. Then switchboard and watt-hour meter. Switchboards are used to control the flow of current, and watt-hour meter used to measure the magnitude of a quantity. That means used to measure the quantity of consumed electric current. Then comes main switch and bulb holder. Main switches are used to supply the main power to the RC models, and a bulb used to hold a bulb or a lamp. Then the next one is clamp ammeter. Clamp ammeter and multimeter. Ammeters are generally used to measure the flow of current. Multimeters are used to measure voltmeter, current and resistance. Then AC voltmeter and wire stripper. AC voltmeter is used to measure the AC voltage across any 2 points of electric circuit. Wire strippers are used to strip the electrical insulation from electric wires and remove the electric insulations. Then a screwdriver, star and negative. Both tools are hand operated, used to turn screws with the shape slotted heads. Then tester and plier. Pliers are used for gripping something around like pipe or rod. Some are used for twisting wires, etc. Tester, you know, to check the flow of current, whether there is current is present or not. Then comes gloves and insulation tapes. These are leather protected gloves. It's worn over the rubber insulated gloves to help provide the mechanical protection needed against cuts, abrasions and punctures. Insulation tapes are used to insulate electric wires and other materials that conduct electricity. Then comes wire or cable and PVC pipe fittings. This wire or cable are used to carry electric current, as you know, and PVC used for plumbing and drainage work. Then this is known as PVC channel, and this last one PVC pipe. PVC channel in control panels and electric cabinets, we will use these PVC channels. PVC pipes used as the insulator on electrical wires. Wires are passed through these PVC pipes, so it acts as an insulator. Then you can see a circuit diagram. So electrification is to be done using materials according to this BIS mark or conditions according to the Indian electricity rules. That is Indian electricity rules 1956. Here you can see some of the electrical appliances connected. The first one is a main fuse, then main switch, ELCB, and you can see the earth line starts from the main switch, ELCB, MCB, then it is connected to the switches. This is known as the switchboard. Switches, you can see switches there, and a regulator here, and 3-pin socket here, etc. And you can see one bulb as well as a ceiling fan, etc. This is a circuit diagram. So we came to the end of our chapter, electromagnetic induction.